Hello friends, it's Amazing Sense welcoming back to you my channel, and I'm back with another video. Today, just a couple of hours back, I went to check my mailbox and I found this little beauty in there. It's been a long time coming. I gave a lot of headache to Messam sir with this. Like in UAE, if you are bringing something by post, you have to mention the PO box number. I was not knowing it because it was almost like first time I'm getting something for myself from the States or somewhere else. So I did not mention my PO box number, and so it came and it went back to Messam sir, then Messam sir sent it back again, and it took around a couple of months. But a big shout out to Messam sir, he did not charge me postage the second time. It's a very nice gesture, sir, really appreciate it, thank you. Now as soon as I got this baby, I just took it and I just sprayed it. I'll spray it once more for you guys. Lovely sprayer, lovely sprayer. And now I'll be giving you my first impressions regarding this little beauty. People say that it's a copy or a fragrance influenced by Virgin Island water. But I would like to tell all those people that they are correct. It's absolutely a note to note a copy of Virgin Island water. And I would not say the word copy, it's like I would say influenced by Virgin Island water. And I'll be giving my first impressions. So now we'll get down to the first impression of this little beauty. When you spray it the first time, you get a blast of lime and coconut. Lots of coconut and lots of lime. Then if you look at the notes, the notes of Virgin Island water and this is completely same. There is no different. There is Jamaican lime, there is coconut, there's mandarin, there's bergamot. Bergamot also gives them that citrus feeling associated with Virgin Island water. Then after some time, like it's been a couple of hours, I'm trying to get that floral feeling because I think jasmine is there, hibiscus is there, lang is there. So this gives a little floral feel also, which makes this a bit of unisex thing, like the guys can pull it off as well as ladies. And then and there is one more note, like it's showing white rum, but you can feel that there is some alcohol is inside, like that perfume alcohol is there, but that white rum is also quite evident in this one. So first of all, in my first impression, I'm completely blown up. I don't regret. I was regretting this purchase like 1 month back, like when I was taking delayed and a lot of headache was there. But that's the thing. All good things take their time. This is one of those things. It's really like I'm impressed with it. And regarding the performance and all, I think I'll get back with another video, and that will be very soon because I'm loving this beauty right now. And I hope to bring out the full video review of this as soon as possible. Till that time, see you guys. Have a nice weekend. Cheers.